Hello friends, today we are going to learn Solidedge 2021 how to extrude and cut extrude parts in Solidedge 2021. So first of all, here you can see a sketch in which we will going to draw a sketch and then create a part like this. You can show in this right corner this part we are going to create. So go to Solidedge, then click on new, then click on isometric and then click on isometric part. Here the window will get pop up, then turn this synchronous into transition to ordered. So this is important, we have to transition to ordered. For mechanical design purpose, mostly we are going to use in ordered condition only. So remember to turn synchronous by clicking on this yellow tab and transition to ordered. Okay, yes. So after that, turn on our planes. By clicking on this home button, you will turn this one into isometric view. Click on extrude, then select the sketch on which you want to draw sketch. So friends, remember, always try to draw part as shown in the drawing. So this, I think this one is drawn on front plane, so we are going to draw it on front plane only. So here we are going to click on circle as we have learned in our previous video. So by clicking on this circle by center point, you can click on this origin and draw a circle. Just keep a point in center and just drag it, and then you can draw a circle. Then my friends, we are going to dimension it. So according to drawing, our outer dimension is 25. So here you can see it 25. So here that's how we have given 25. Okay friends, and then you can see now, if you can see, we can extrude it either side of the sketch, but always remember to extrude it from mid plane equally on each side. So for that we have to click on this extrude symmetric extent. So you can see now it is extruding in a symmetric way. So here we have to give a distance which is 3. You can double click on it and 3. So yes, and then you can click on finish. Okay, so this is how your part extrude is done now. After that you have to cut extrude for this 9 mm diameter hole. So again, go on part, then click on extrude, then select the plane and draw a sketch. Again, I will take a circle by center point, click on the origin, and just like I will simply put it here. Then again give a dimension. So here you can see it. So I will mark it as 9. So friends, you can see the previous before the dimension given. You can, I will control Z. It is in a blue color, but when we are going to constrain it by giving the dimension, this is 9, it will turn into black color. If you are experiencing a problem to turn the sketch black, you can always go to inspect, home, inspect here, and then click on relationship colors. If you untick this, then it will again go to blue. And if you want to change the relationship color, if you can click on it and then it will turn black here. Okay, so now I will exit, close the sketch, and you can see it now. So friends, here are various types of cut extrude, which is through all, which is through next, in which in through all the circle will get cut up to the limit of material, up to next the same. And for finite extent, if you want to cut only for 1.5 mm, you can give here. So you can see if it is cut at only 5, but as we want to cut it through, so again you can edit this one here, go edit, then to cut extend step, and then again you can in this we are going to cut through all. Just arrow, give arrow, and finish, right click, finish, exit. You can now turn off base reference plane, and this is how you can give a create a part using cut extrude and cut extrude. So if you want to give a chamfer, so click on this, just click on both. So here setback will be 0.5 as thickness is less. Again, if you want to give another, so again click on this one, here you can finish. So this is how we are going to manufacture. So friends, always save your parts like this to desktop. You can also save it to desktop. Yes, so this is how we are going to create a part. We will take another example for this. So this one is our new part here. Okay friends, so yes, so after that we will go to Solidedge, click on this, click on new isometric part, and then okay, click on, we will turn on our brace reference plane, transition synchronous to order. Yes, so this is how we will going to create a part. So if you can see here, so first of all we are going to create a part which will be according to manufacturing processes. So always remember to create a part according to manufacturing processes you are going to do in your workshop, so it will get simpler to create a model in 3D. So here you can see it here. So maximum diameter is 20 and length is 58.5. So simply we are going to create extrude here, click on extrude, then click on right plane, so it is still, so I think it is gets crash. Again we will restart it. Yes, so we will start with new isometric part, turn to order, turn on basic reference planes, then here again 20 mm diameter and 58.5 mm length. So here extrude, click on right plane, then select a circle at center point here like this. You can click on 20, yes, and then close the sketch. Here again we are going to symmetrically extrude our part. Always remember to symmetrically extrude your part, which is 58.5. Finish, cancel. Yes, so our basic part is okay now, created. After that you can see here 14 diameter have been maintained to 11 length here. So we can cut this material here, 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 here. So yes, this is 14 diameter. Here you can get to this part here. Again we can draw a circle here. Yes, give dimension 14 close. So yes friends, so if you see here, you can, it is going in a internal, but we have to cut this outer, so that's why here it is side step. So if you want to like this, if you want to go to internal side, then again you can see here, here. If you want to change the side, you can click on this cut side step. Here it is outer, so here you can see. So here give 11, finish, cancel. Okay friends, after that here we have to give cutout of 16 up to 10 length. This is called, we call as a across flat. So for this across flat we are going to cut this from this side. Yes, so go to the cut, click on this surface, just select a rectangle by center, as we have to cut only this side and this side, not this side. So we are going to give a dimension of 16 and give this dimension which will be above 20. So give 25. So you can see sketch is constrained as it is getting turned into black. So close the sketch. Now you can see here it is going to cut inside, but we have to cut it outside. So again we are going to cut, select the cut side step, and outside you can see here. If you want to again select the inside, you can see this arrow, it will going to cut inside. If you want to cut outside, just drop this arrow to below and you can see here, you can, we want to give it a 10. Finish. So you can turn your reference place. So again you have to give a chamfer to these parts. So here you go to round, drop, click on drop down, chamfer, select edges like this, like this, and like this. If you want to again deselect something, some edges, so you can click on shift and then on certain edge. If you want to deselect, then shift and click on that edge. If you want to again click, give that similar edge, then just click on it, you can select. You here I want to give 1 you can see it here, cancel. So this is how we are going to create part in Solidedge using extrude and cut extrude command. So thank you friends. If you like this video, then kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.